Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your exterior and interior mirrors with the anti-dazzle setting on an Audi A4 as for Avant. We will get a clear vision in the rear and the backside of car. Oh yeah, we can adjust let's start with the mirror system. We can have a lot of mirrors, as you can see in your car, to have a look what's going on in the backside. First thing is, we can have an anti-dazzle setting. Our vehicle should be equipped with a manual or an automatic anti-dazzle interior mirror. Manual means we pull the lever at the bottom of the mirror towards us. Automatic anti-dazzle, like here, the interior and the exterior mirrors will dark when the bright light, for example from the headlight of a following vehicle, shines on the surface of the interior mirror. Electrolyte fluid can leak from a broken automatic anti-dazzle mirror. The fluid can cause irritation to the skin, eyes and so on. So have a look. And then of course you can make a clear vision and adjust our exterior mirrors. We have here in the driver's door adjustment knob for exterior mirrors to set up there. We turn the knob to the appropriate position. O means to deactivate all the setting functions. Right or left to adjust the exterior mirror, left or right side. We move the knob in the desired direction, of course, and the bottom thing to heat the mirrors depends on the outside temperature. And there is more to fold in the interior mirrors. To fold the mirrors out, we turn the knob to any of the other position. One of the infotainment settings allows us to control whether or not the mirror are folded in when you lock the vehicle. As shown in that video on that car here, this does not have the fold function, okay? yeah. But you can have a tilt function for the front passenger's exterior mirror. That's cool, I think, because you can adjust it manually, as shown before. Here you can see how it adjusted, easy peasy. Go to the left mirror setting, and now you can move by an electronic motor, right, left, up and down, to make the right adjustment of the mirror easy peasy. If you agree this setting, of course, you can make more. That means go back to 0, that means nothing is more, or go back to the right side and perform the same thread. And then of course we have a tilt function for the front passenger's exterior mirror. The mirror is tilted slightly to provide a better view of the curb when parking backwards. This feature only works when the knob is in the position for adjusting the mirror on the passenger's side. We can adjust the tilted mirror surface by moving the knob in the desired direction, of course. This new position is automatically stored and assigned to the remote control key when we take the car out of the reverse. The mirror turns to its original position as soon as we drive forward at over 15 km per hour, or we switch off the ignition. So let it rest there to have this function. Convex or wide-angle exterior mirrors give the larger field of vision. However, they make objects look smaller and further away than they really are. If we use these mirrors to estimate the distance to vehicle behind our changing line, we could misjudge the distance. So, risk of accident. Take care of you. And of course, if one of the mirror housing is knocked out of the position, for example when parking, the mirrors must be fully retracted with the electric control. We will hear a loud noise when the mirrors snap back into the place. We do not readjust the mirror housing by hand, and this will interfere with the mirror adjusting function. If one of the mirror housing is knocked out of position, for example when parking, then of course it will be snapped back in position if we pull it back. For example, this is good for the washing. If you have to wash your machine, wash your car in a car wash area. It must be returned to its proper position by hand if it does not have this clamping function or this automatic stuff. Before washing the vehicle in an automatic car wash, we should make sure that you retract the exterior mirrors to prevent them from being damaged. Electrical retractable exterior mirrors must not be folded in or out by hand. We always use the electrical power control with that. And of course, you can make an information in the multimeter interface for make an automatic stuff there. That means the automatic close and open function with the mirrors on the side, and as well the other stuff can automatically use there. If there is a full setup failure, you have to perform this adjustment by your hand. That's possible. But if the motor is still working, do not handle this like that. So you can adjust your exterior and interior mirrors easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.